This tutorial will show you how to create a new document in UniPhi. First, select the project that the document relates to. Then go into the document module. Press the yellow icon to create a new document. From here you will select the template for the document you need to create. For the first example, we will be using the consulting contract template. Press the green arrow to move on to the next step. Text box steps can be used for standard document text. You can edit this if you need to. To move to the next step, you can either press the arrow button or select the step that you want to skip to from the menu on the right. Continue to follow the steps in the document. Once you are finished, you can name your document and select the status. From this page, you can also view your final document in HTML format. You can also save as a PDF, or email it directly from UniPhi. If you are finished with your document, press the X to close the page. When you refresh the document module, you will see your new document. Here is another example, but with a document template that uses custom checklists and drop-down lists. These templates are easy to follow as you input your data by selecting a field from the lists. This step allows you to link your document to an existing issue in UniPhi for internal purposes. Select the issue from the drop-down list. Then press this button to link the document. Continue with the rest of the steps. This time, I am going to email this document for review. See this video for more detail on how to email a document out of UniPhi. Now that I am finished, I am going to close this page and refresh the document module to see my new document in the list. Thank you for watching this UniPhi tutorial.